Welcome to What's Happening Today at PTC'21 for Monday, January 18th. Thank you to everyone who joined us early this morning for the submarine cable workshops sponsored by SubOptic. As always, the submarine cable sessions provide insight into the industry capped with a telegeography workshop. We hope you also enjoyed the opening reception sponsored by Peraton for a unique experience to gather as a community before the heart of the PTC'21 program begins with today's featured participant sessions. PTC'21 will welcome attendees with remarks from PTC CEO Sharon Nakama and Tim Logue, the President and Chair of the PTC Board of Governors. Kicking off today's series of sessions is riding the tidal wave of new realities with a distinguished set of C-suite industry leaders picking up the conversation from our September PTC webinar series, Frictionless Business. The second session this morning will explore the impact of COVID-19 and industry implications by looking at the explosive growth in telework, distance learning, and other bandwidth-intensive services. Data infrastructure brings global executives together to discuss trends driving the demand for more data center infrastructure. The presentation 5G plus AI plus IoT Beyond Magic will look at how these innovative technologies will be monetized, looking at 5G value propositions and business models. An interview for cloud computing via satellite will examine how new technologies, business models, and ideas drive satellite to mainstream telecom adoption, with cloud computing as a key SATCOM driver. Innovation and digital transformation, the challenges and opportunities for service providers, will consider how to stay ahead in a hyper-competitive market by delivering new levels of agility and customer centricity with a diverse partner ecosystem. A panel discussion, Diversity and Inclusion as a Business Imperative in Our New Reality, will focus on how to address structural and systematic issues facing companies and employees in the wake of the tectonic shift brought on starting with the #MeToo movement through the Black Lives Matter protest of 2020. A distinguished panel will discuss how COVID-19 and 5G have changed infrastructure demand and requirements in transformations in data center and network infrastructure development to wrap up the featured participant sessions for Monday. Be sure to join our panel for the topical session, Interconnection and Next-Gen Services Platforms. Women in attendance are invited to the PTC'21 Women's Reception, sponsored by Paul Hastings in the PTC Networking Lounge. PTC'21 continues to offer a packed schedule. If you missed any of the live sessions, please remember they will be available on demand in the online platform within 48 hours. PTC TV is also available in the PTC'21 platform, in the PTC TV exhibit booth in the PTC Hub, or online through the PTC'21 Media Center on ptc.org/PTC'21 with executive interviews and daily news segments. Thank you for joining us for What's Happening Today. We'll see you tomorrow with more details and insights for Tuesday, January 19th.